God at this time for the blessings He has given on my life. My name is Kornili Debbarma. I am standing before you to express my views based on my school. I am feeling very lucky to have this opportunity for giving speech. Today in this program, I would like to share my happy moments with everyone in this farewell. I remember my first day of school when I went to the class. On the first day of school, everyone in this school was as a stranger to me. The rest of the students were talking among themselves, and I was sitting alone with other newcomers. Suddenly, Sir came into the classroom and introduced us one by one. I was very happy, and later I did not even know when I joined their school environment. That day was very unforgettable for me and always will be. This school has taught me a lot. This school has shaped the life of many students of this school. The school has not only imparted knowledge, but also how to live a life, how to fight injustice, how to protect humanity. For that, I would like to thank our teachers for their guidance, support, patience, and encouragement that has helped a lot in shaping our way. Dear friends, juniors, all my brothers and sisters, I wish for everyone to be the best in their next chapter of their life, whether it's college or work or other endeavors. I wish them for their future success. Remember the lessons we have learned, the friendship we have forged. Embrace the future with confidence and a spirit of optimism. I'm very proud of you all and of my school. Thank you all for the love you have given me. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.